What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the Hero 8 Black Floaty by GoPro. Got a lifetime warranty here. And the easy to spot accessory keeps Hero 8 Black afloat. Floaty will not support the additional weight of GoPro mounts and accessories. Includes the floaty, and this is what it's supposed to do, is keep it afloat. Compatible with the Hero 8 Black, since there was an upgrade to the housing of the black. The accessories had to be updated. The warranty card, nothing else. And this guy pops out just like that. Pretty nice size, good features of this. And got a little string here, but no string came with the unit. And looks exactly like the photo promised. So let's take a look and see this piece here and how the unit would actually, let's see. How the unit would actually go inside this cabin. I see, here we go. Seems like it's a kind of counterproductive on the way they want that to go in, but looks like this piece just keeps it pretty much there, and then you just get this stuff all in there. This you don't need that piece there. Easy as 1, 2, 3, and I have the tempered glass on this Hero 8 Black just because I wanted the extra protection. It's a really good move to make if you guys are looking to keep the protection. It's gonna go with a big side in there first, and that should be just about that. It is kind of awkward to get in there, but gotta do what you gotta do. That's a nice fit. And then you'll want to take the fingers out, of course. So that piece goes in there. And you get your power and this piece here for the footage. Yeah, and then you got your touchscreen functionality here. So overall, yeah, it does seem pretty good and feels like a good setup on how it is, very secure and everything. So that's the floaty. Let's go ahead and take it out and see how that feels. Yeah, when you take it out, it's just a push with your thumbs. It comes right on out. So it's an interesting way would be just to put this piece in just like that. And so your fingers sticking out. Yeah, that's good. That'll do. Well, put this a little backwards there, so. There we go. Pushing that out in one more time so you can see what that looks with the, pay attention, there we go. And then you have your screw mounts here, just plug that sucker in there and you're good to go. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. This was the floaty for the GoPro Hero 8. Thanks for watching, leave a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks for watching.